Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make Mexican style breadless fried chicken. This one is another one of my favorite meals on a budget in under 30 minutes. So if you want to know how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Because we're going to begin by making our rice. To our pan over medium heat, we're going to be melting 3 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter melts, we're going to add a piece of onion and 1 chile serrano or jalapeño. Now we're just going to saute for a couple minutes. Okay, after 2 minutes, we're going to add 1.5 cups of white rice. We're going to lightly fry it for a couple minutes. Okay, and after 2 minutes, we're going to add 3 cups of water. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon, half a teaspoon of garlic salt, and half a cup of mixed vegetables. Just going to mix it and bring it to a simmer. As soon as it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, it's always perfect. So now we're just going to cover it, reduce the heat to the lowest setting, and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. Okay, after 15 minutes, our rice is done. So I'm just going to turn it off and set it to the side while we make our chicken. Okay, so here I have 4 pounds of chicken drumsticks. I already cleaned them and removed the skin. Of course, if you want to keep the skin, that's all optional. So now I'm just going to create a couple slits. Okay, we're going to make sure that our chicken is completely dry. We're going to season it with 2 packets of sazón Goya, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, onion powder, and garlic salt. So now just massage it all over the chicken. Make sure that it gets completely coated. Okay, so once we have our chicken all nicely coated with our seasoning, now we're going to heat up our oil. Okay, once our oil is nice and hot over medium heat, we're going to place our pieces of chicken and allow them to fry for 5 minutes per side. Flip our chicken over and allow that side to fry for another 5 minutes. And once done, remove them from the oil. Okay. Drain it in a paper towel. And then we can get ready for the fun part. Alrighty, and once we have our chicken, now we can get ready to serve. Okay, so now we can get our rice. And of course you can serve it with a side of salad as well. Going to grab our chicken, and just like that, we can enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part.
The taste test.
Are you ready? I'm ready. Let me tell you that this brings back memories from my childhood. My kids love it, and I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. It's super affordable. Less than 30 minutes, you have this delicious meal. So I'm sure Gio's ready. So now, cheers and enjoy. How is it? Super flavorful, so delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make this super easy and delicious Mexican style breadless fried chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you agree with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.